To get Asos best promo codes and available promo codes here, you have to open your browser and search for that Asos promo code on your browser. Then you will see the first website called Business Insider here, and whenever you will click it, you will see this home page where there is a lot of coupon available here. Now what you have to do is you can see different coupons here for $17 off, 75% off, 8 off, and many more. The main thing what you have to do is simply verify every promo code that is available here. Let me just click one of the promo codes available here. Yes. Now I will simply copy this and then redirect to uh, official website of Asos, and then on the payment page I will paste this promo code available on the payment page of Asos, and I will get the discount as mentioned in this. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel for watching such updates like this.